Hello guys, today we're gonna review on street smart bike Bajaj Street 150. So let's see. The Bajaj Avenger has been a great success story for the Chakan-based two-wheeler giant. From registering sale of around 3,000 units per month, the Avenger sale have crossed over 30,000 units on a monthly basis. This wind of change was brought over after the Avenger range got updated last year. Bajaj introduced an all-new Avenger 150 which holds the distinction of the cheapest cruiser bike on sale in India market. The Avenger 220 ranges got two new variants, 220 Cruise and 220 Straight. To keep this positive momentum of sale flowing, Bajaj has now introduced its Avenger series in new color option. The Bajaj Avenger 150 Street, which currently available in midnight blue, will also be offered in a new shade of cosmic red. The Bajaj Avenger 220 Street was only available in matte black and now get the addition of matte wild green. The Bajaj Avenger 220 Cruise was recently offered in a new shade of desert gold. Commenting on the launch of new color range, Iris was President Motorcycle Business Bajaj Auto Ltd said, "The Avenger is known for its world-class styling and unbeatable comfort. The introduction of two new unique colors in the Avenger Street lifts the style of the Avenger to a new level in the motorcycle industry. We are confident that the introduction of Cosmic Red and Matte Wide Green will find immediate appeal amongst the fast-growing Avenger fan base across the country." Let's come to engine. Its engine type is twin-spark 2-valve DTS-I engine. Its power is 14.34 bhp 9000 rpm. Its torque is 12.5 Nm and 6500 rpm. Its bore size is 67 mm and the stroke is 62 mm. Number of cylinder is Y and the valve per cylinder is 2. It has a petrol fuel type and the drive type is chain drive and the fuel type is carburetor. Its ignition is CDI and the transmission type is manual and the number of gear is 5. Let's talk about front wheel, tire, suspension and the braking system. It has a disc type of brake and the size is 17 inches and the suspension is telescopic with anti-friction. Let's see the rear. In rear it has a drum type of brake and the size is 15 inches and the suspension is twin shock absorber. And in this bike the ground clearance is 169 mm and it has a overall 45 Kmpl of mileage and the top speed is 110 km per hour. So let's start the bike and hear the voice of the engine. So let's go and test the speed of bike. So let's go to ride. if you are looking for more powerful as beast on road, more styling and super hunk on ramp, and the more pocket saver, then the Bajaj Avenger is definitely made for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye.